If you want to charge other devices using your Xiaomi 17, then we have two main methods that allow you to do so. The first method is to use the wired power sharing option, which means that you need to use a USB cable that fits both devices, your Xiaomi 17 and that other device that you want to charge. Now what you're gonna do is you want to connect your Xiaomi 17 to that other device. This can be a smartphone, this can be a Bluetooth device, and so on and so forth. And there we go, as you can see, it charges immediately. However, sometimes if you connect both devices together, your Xiaomi 17 might be the one that is being charged, that is going to be charged. In order to change that, you might need to check the notifications of on your Xiaomi 17, and then in here you want to search for a notification about USB connection. Usually it is this icon over here, and it is sent by Android system. So you want to tap over here, or in a similar notification, and then you have the option to choose reverse charging. So of course you want to make sure that it is selected. Now in this case, actually I don't have it. Sometimes it appears, sometimes it doesn't, but it looks more or less like this, and in there you can find the wireless charging option. In this case I'm actually missing it on both devices, but most of the time it is actually available in here. And sometimes if it doesn't appear, if you don't have the option to go to the settings of that USB connection, then you might want to just simply disconnect both devices. I mean, not unconnect. You want to disconnect both devices and then just connect them again and see if that helps. And of course, the second method that allows you to charge other devices is using the wireless charging option, wireless power sharing. Let me actually disconnect the cable. There we go. Now in this case, if you want to wirelessly charge other devices, of course, first of all, you can do this only with devices that can be charged wirelessly. If another device does not support wireless charging, then obviously you will not be able to charge. So if we go to settings and scroll down to battery, then over here we can proceed to the charging options, and in here we have the reverse wireless charging option, which we can of course enable. You can also set up the charging limit, which means that if you have this option set to 30%, if the battery drops down to 30%, then the wireless charging option is going to be automatically deactivated. Once it is enabled, we can place our Xiaomi 17 face down, just like that, and then we need to place that other device on the back of our Xiaomi 17. So for example, I'm gonna place my other phone over here, and if I place it down, just like that, I should have the connection, and I am charging now. Of course, if there is no connection, you might want to move it up, down, left, right a little bit, adjust its position to make sure that you properly position it on the back of your Xiaomi 17. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.